Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the COVID-19 Delta Plus variant. I have written this article, COVID-19 Delta Plus variant swells, signs of third wave as predicted. Astrology speaks loudly after Jupiter goes in retrogression on the 20th June 2021. 120 days, wildest oscillations. Jupiter is a planet, 100%, a planet which is 100% benefic. But when it is afflicted, then it is most venomous. Now, how does it get afflicted? Number one, in retrogression. Number two, in Rahu Ketu axis. Number three, when it is in debilitation. Number four, when it is fallen. It should not be conjunct with any malefic. Aspect on Jupiter is of no concern. It does not get afflicted. But when it is with a malefic, then it behaves in a most malefic way. Unfortunately, what has happened is at the time of Jupiter going in retrogression on the 20th June 2021, since a solar ingress of Sun had taken place in Gemini, when the sign Gemini was rising, he is the 7th Lord and the 10th Lord, and Saturn is the 8th Lord and the 9th Lord. Now, Jupiter has started its journey towards the 8th house from the 9th house. So, Jupiter will be meeting the 8th Lord now, and it will be in debilitation, it will be fallen, it will be in retrogression. So, Jupiter will, since he is a Marak as the 7th Lord, he is a Vadkesh as the 7th Lord, he has a Kendra Adhipati Dosh. Now, all these parameters combined together, and then in the 8th house in debilitation and with Saturn makes him a first class Marak. Both will become Marak. Saturn and Jupiter both will become Marak. And this is most enigmatic. And Jupiter can be compared in animals with an elephant. And when this elephant goes mad, it has the capacity to ruin the jungle. Similarly, Jupiter has the capacity to ruin everything. It is the Karka for prosperity. It is the Karka, divine blessings. It is the Karka for children. It is the Karka for studies. It is the Karka for expansion. And since it will become Marak, and in the solar ingress of Virgo, this sign Gemini is rising. And this September month is most enigmatic because the lunation there is of 13 days. The sun is transiting in Virgo when the sign Gemini is rising, and 3 days before, on the 14th, Jupiter will fall in the sign Capricorn. So Jupiter becomes Marak, and it is connected to all the planets. As a Marak, it will transfer the Marak qualities to all the planets except Venus, which will be with Ketu in Scorpio. All the planets will be afflicted. So friends, this is not good, and these parameters are not good, and there may be anything, since there is virus, so we are just contemplating that the third wave may come. It can be a natural disaster of high degree, of high intensity also, where masses are influenced. Maybe it is coronavirus, the Delta Plus, maybe it is a natural calamity, maybe it's an earthquake, maybe it's a new virus, but definitely this period, since the virus is going on, we contemplate is as the third wave, and Jupiter is Karka for children. And since it is with Saturn, it is with masses, and Saturn also controls the air, so the virus may also travel in air. So friends, this is not good. This is all I just wanted to share, and I will put down some, I have written in my article the various parameters. Period from 14th September to 20th November 2021, most crucial for COVID. Peak of the third wave of Delta variant from the 27th September to 18th September. Since the longitudinal distance between Jupiter and Saturn will be minimum and less than 16 degrees. The longitudinal distance between Jupiter and Saturn will go over 16 degrees after the 2nd December. So after 2nd December, the number of cases may start to ease. After Jupiter starts its journey from Aquarius to Sat in Satyasha star in transit, Jupiter will reach this longitude on the 9th January when it goes back after it becomes direct. On 9th January 2022, it will reach the Rahu star. Hence, till 9th January, the world may have to suffer the woes of the COVID Delta variant or some other natural calamity as well. Jupiter would leave the star of Rahu on the 2nd March 2022. Hence, the total effect of the Delta variant may last till this time in totality. In the foundation chart, Venus, the 6th lord of the foundation chart of India and also the 6th lord of the Pisces new moon chart of the 12th April 2021, will be in fallen state from the 30th December to 27th February. So friends, in totality till February it is not good, and the 6th lord and the Lagna lord Venus will be afflicted. So it is not good. Already mentioned that there will be no relief till Ketu leaves the sign Scorpio till 17th March 2022, and Rahu and Ketu shift in Aries and Libra axis, and there may be exchange between the two. Only then there will be relief after the 8th February 2023. So there will be 3 dates, first in February 2022, then in March 2022, and then 8th February 2023, and then finally when Saturn leaves the sign Capricorn. I am afraid I have not talked about Saturn falling back, when it going in Aquarius and then falling back in Capricorn. That we'll talk later. That is from July to April 2023. That we'll talk about it later. But first, let us talk about all this. Read my articles pertaining to the third wave. I have written 6 months back. I had written this. All these articles: third wave, coronavirus retrogression, Jupiter, planet of expansion, will behave like a mad elephant, COVID-19 epidemic, third wave, Jupiter-Saturn conjunction vital. Then their article in the Express Star Terror was also published about this. When will the COVID nightmare end? An astrological study by astrologer Anil Agarwal. Most venomous September 2021, lunar fortnight of 13 days, Jupiter fallen retrograde debilitated, solar ingress in Virgo. The most important parameter for Jupiter affliction now. So all these 9 articles I have written, and please go through them, and then just look at the media news. What is happening as per the media? Maharashtra tightens COVID curbs amid rising Delta plus cases after the 20th June. All this is happening. Then lockdown ordered in central Sydney areas hit by surge in the cases of Corona Delta variant. Delta COVID cases in UK up by 46% in the past week. Parts of Sydney going into lockdowns as virus outbreak grows. Delhi, Gujarat, Maharashtra among 23 states at higher. Nearly 30% of India Delta plus cases are in South India. Risk of increased COVID-19 due to rise in waste. So, then Delta plus variant cases rise in 51 in Maharashtra. So all these reports are coming, and the number of cases per day of coronavirus, which had gone down to 42,460, are not going less than 50,000. They're going 54, 50, 50. So like that, even today, the cases are above 50,000. It's a clear indication that the third wave is on, and especially it will show its head after the 27th, 28th September, especially after the 14th September, and between 27th, 28th September to 18th of October, it will show its head with maximum intensity. So this is all I just wanted to share. But one thing keep in mind, that since the planetary positions are most malefic and enigmatic, I am contemplating that this corona wave, third wave, will be there. There may be a natural calamity also which can influence the masses a big earthquake and natural and unnatural calamities could also be there. So please keep this in mind. So I wish my predictions go wrong and we are saved from these situations, and these situations may not ease easily, although after 2nd of December the number of cases may start to reduce slowly, but we do not get any relief till Rahu and Ketu leave these signs on the 17th March 2022. So with this is all I just wanted to share, and thank you for sharing and listening to my article and my video, and have a good day. Best of luck. Take care of yourself. God bless.